All right, coming out here to see how this fresh rain did for the plants. It's really flooded. I know it's junky. I have a lot of prepping and cleaning to still do. It's really flooded around the rocks path. Over here, my strawberries are sitting in water. Everything's kind of sitting in water. So obviously they're going to get plenty of water growing because they're sitting in it. And over there, just like I hoped, because this whole area kind of gets flooded, that's the neighbors. These fruits can grow and suck up that water and help drink it, help keep it dry. That's what I'm hoping. But yeah, hindsight, I should have moved this pool because it's wet. And those bags over there, those are wet. And now lifting them is completely out of the question. Definitely gonna have to use a shovel, dig it out the bags, put it in the wheelbarrow, move everything empty, and then dig it out the wheelbarrow and put it back. All right, I gotta move this to this spot and put 4 bags over here. This too gotta get back over here. I made room for the blueberry and raspberry, and then finish cleaning out this mess and making room. Lots of work, back-breaking work. Most of these are prepared and to go. I'm just moving our way down. These bags are like over 50 pounds. That's why I pulled out the shovel. Move it slow. But I love the work. There's so much work to do. I would love any support. If you like weeding and tilling, I have plenty of garden beds that you can help me with.